Good morning all of you. In our previous class we studied about distance between 2 points. By the distance between the 2 points we find the given vertices or form a triangle or rectangle or a square. About that one we find, and here distance between the 2 points and another 2 points given, then equalizing through them find the value of x coordinate or y coordinate, and find the section formula to a line segment to dividing a point in which ratio, that one we find, and the midpoint of a given line we find. Now today we see another new topic. For example, if there will be given the vertices of a triangle that are a of x1 y1, b of x2 y2, c of x3 y3, then the area of the triangle is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So it is the principle for area of a triangle if the vertices are given. Area of the triangle if the vertices given, delta equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now by using this principle we solve some problems. Here given the question, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Here x1 y1 points B 2, 3, x2 y2 points B minus 1, 0 and x3 y3 coordinates are 2, minus 4. Then the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod x1 2 into y2 minus y3 0 minus half minus 4 plus x2 into minus 1 into y3 minus y1 minus 4 minus 3 plus x3 into 2 into y1 minus y2 3 minus 0, that equal to half mod 0 minus half minus 4, that is nothing but 0 plus 4 plus minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3, that is equal to minus 7 plus 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So 2 into 3, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Minus 1 into minus 7 is equal to plus 7. 2 3s 6, 2 4s 8 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So half mod 8 plus 13, 8 plus 13 is equal to 21. So half mod 21. So mod is nothing but already we studied, in that if we taken positive or negative number, the result will be taken as a positive number only. So already here given a positive number only, that means 21 by 2 square units. It is the area of the triangle if the vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Now find the area of the triangle with the vertices minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5 and 5, 2. So here x1 y1 coordinates are minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5 as x2 y2 coordinates, and 5, 2 are x3 y3 coordinates. Then the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here x1 is equal to minus 5 into y2 minus y3 minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 3 into y3 minus y1 2 minus of minus 1 plus x3 5 into y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus of minus 5. That equal to half mod minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7 plus 3 into minus half minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 5 into minus half minus 5 is plus 5 minus 1 plus 5. That equal to half mod minus 5 into minus 7 is equal to 35 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 plus 5 into 5 minus 1 that equal to 4. So that equal to half mod 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 4 5s are 20. That equal to half mod 35 plus 9 44 44 plus 20 64 half mod 64 that equal to half into 64 2 ones to 32s. So the area of the triangle with the vertices minus 5 comma minus 1 3 comma minus 5 and 5 comma 2 are 32 square units. Okay, now here given the another vertices of the triangle 6 minus 6 3 minus 7 3 3, then find the area of the triangle. So here x1 y1 coordinates are 6 minus 6, x2 y2 coordinates are 3 minus 7 and x3 y3 coordinates are 3 comma 3. Then the area of the triangle delta E is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So that equal to half mod x1 6 into y2 minus y3 minus 7 minus 3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 3 minus half minus 6 plus x3 into 3 into y1 minus y2 minus 6 minus half minus 7. That equal to half mod 6 into minus 7 minus 3 is equal to minus 10 plus 3 into minus half minus 6 equal to plus 6. So 3 plus 6 plus 3 into minus half minus 7 is equal to plus 7 minus 6 plus 7 into 3. So 6 into minus 10 is equal to minus 60 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 9. So plus 3 into 9 3 into minus 6 plus 7 is equal to 1. That equal to half mod minus 60 plus 3 9s 27 plus 3 1s 3. That equal to half mod 27 plus 3 is equal to 30 minus 60 plus 30 equal to minus 30. So half mod minus 30 is equal to plus 30. So half into plus 30. In that mod negative or positive, we taking positive values only, already we said. So half into 30 that equal to 2 ones 2 15s. So area of the triangle with the vertices 6 comma minus 6 3 comma minus 7 and 3 comma 3 are 15 square units. Now given the next problem 0 comma 0 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 are the vertices of the triangle, then find its area. So here 0 0 coordinate will be taking as x1 y1 and 3 comma 0 are x2 y2 coordinates and 0 comma 2 are x3 y3 point. Then the area of the triangle is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here x1 equal to 0 into y2 minus y3, 0 minus 2 plus x3, x2 into 3 into y2, y3 minus y1, 2 minus 0 plus x3, 0 into y1 minus y2, 0 minus 0. So that equal to half mod 0 into 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 plus 0 into 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So 0 is multiplied whatever the number we get 0 only. That means 0 into minus 2 equal to 0, 3 plus 2 is equal to 6, 0 plus into 0 equal to 0. 0 is adding with any number we get that number only. So 0 plus 6 equal to 6, 6 plus 0 equal to 6. So half into mod 6. In that mod whatever the value we taking positive only. So half mod 6 that equal to half into 6. So 2 ones, 2 threes. So area of the triangle with the vertices 0 comma 0, 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 are 3 square units. So now here if we observe the vertices, here 0 0 3 0 0 2 only there, we get the answer 3 square units. Now if we draw the triangle on that coordinate plane, if we observe x coordinate, y coordinate, and one point is 0 0 given, and the another point is 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 means the point is on that x axis, and the another one is 0 comma 2. So it will be located on y axis. Now if we draw the triangle, we get a equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle to area of BH. So here B is nothing but the origin point to the x axis lying distance, that is nothing but x units, that is 3 here, and h height is nothing but 0 to on that y axis distance, that is y units, that is here 2. So half into 3 into 2, that equal to 3 square units. Same result only. That means here we taken it as half into xy, but here the coordinates may be negative number also forming. So in that result we get positive. So we taking half mod xy. It is the principle for if origin and x coordinate on a point and y coordinate on a point given means area of the triangle. So if a triangle vertices are 0 comma 0, a point x comma 0 lie on x axis and another point lie on y axis, then the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod xy, half mod xy. Okay, now by using this principle, now we solve a problem. So if the coordinates of the triangle are 0, 0, 4, 0 and 3, 0, 3, then find the area of the triangle. Now here if we observed, so the coordinates are given 0, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 3. So in general principle if we find means, so here too we observe first one is 0, 0 given, second one is same this model 4, 0, third one is 0, 3 given. That means at that second place only we get a number, that is nothing but 4 into 3. So half into 4 into 3 is equal to half into 12 is equal to 6. So now if we observe in this principal model, now if we locate these points on the coordinate plane, so the first coordinate 0, 0, second one is 4, 0 and the third coordinate is 0, 3. Now if we join we get a right triangle. So its base into height to half, that is only its area. So the base is nothing but 4 units distance and the height is nothing but 3 units distance. So area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod xy, that equal to half into x coordinate, that one is 4 and y, that is 3. So 4 3s 12, half mod 12. So mod means whatever the value we taking a positive value only. So half into 12. So 2 ones 2 6s. So area of the triangle with the vertices, one is origin and the another one is 4 0 and the third vertices as 0, 3, then its area is 6 square units. Now the given problem 2, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 6 are the vertices of the triangle, then find its area. So here 2, 0 are x1, y1 coordinates and 1, 2 are x2, y2 coordinates and minus 1, 6 are x3, y3 coordinates. Then if the vertices of a triangle given, then its area of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So that equal to half mod x1 2 into y2 minus y3 2 minus 6 plus x2 into 1 into y3 minus y1 6 minus 0 plus x3 minus 1 into y1 minus y2 0 minus 2, that equal to half mod 2 minus 6, that equal to minus 4 plus 1 into 6 minus 0 6 plus minus 1 into 0 minus 2 is minus 2, that equal to half mod 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8 plus 1 into 6, that equal to 6 minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to plus 2. 6 plus 2 equal to 8, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So half into mod 0, that is nothing but half into 0. So half into 0 is equal to 0. So area of the triangle is with the vertices 2, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, 6 is 0 square units. Now if we locate the points on the coordinate plane, now if we observe, Now here the first point is 2 comma 0, that means it is lie on that x axis 2 comma 0, and the second coordinate is 1 comma 2 given. So that means x coordinate to 1 unit distance, y coordinate to 2 units distance. So it is 1 comma 2, and the third one is minus 1 comma 6. So minus 1 comma 6. Now if these 3 points to join, now here at this case we can't get a triangle. So the 3 points are lie on a same line. So we already know that if 3 points lie on the same line, then the points are collinear. That means here we can conclude that here area of collinear points is 0. Area of collinear points is 0. Verify whether the following points are collinear or not. So here the given points are 1 comma minus 1, 4 comma 1, minus 2 comma minus 3. So now here these 3 points to find the area of the triangle. If the area of the triangle is 0, then the 3 points are collinear, otherwise not. So here find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here the x1 y1 coordinates are 1 minus 1, and x2 y2 coordinates are 4 1, and x3 y3 coordinates are minus 2 minus 3. Now substituting in the principal area of the triangle, that is equal to half mod x1 1 into y2 minus y3 1 minus half minus 3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 minus 3 minus half minus 1 plus x3 into minus 2 into y3 minus y1 minus 1 minus 1, that equal to half mod 1 into minus half minus 3, that is nothing but plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 4 into minus half minus 1, that is plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, that equal to half mod 1 into 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So 1 4 is 4, 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8 plus 4, 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So half mod 0, that is nothing but half into 0 is equal to 0. So area of the triangle with the vertices 1 comma minus 1, 4 comma 1 and minus 2 minus 3 are 0 square units. That purpose the given points are collinear. Now here the given another problem with the vertices 1 minus 1, 2, 3 and 2 comma 0. Now these points are forming collinear points, otherwise not, that is asked. So here we taking 1 comma minus 1 as x1 y1 coordinates and 2 comma 3 are x2 y2 coordinates and 2 comma 0 are x3 y3 coordinates. Then the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, that equal to delta equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3, that equal to 1 into 3 minus 0 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. So 2 into 0 minus half minus 1 plus x3 2 into y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 3, that equal to 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So 1 into 3 plus minus of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So 2 into 0 plus 1 plus minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4. So 2 into minus 4, that equal to 1 3 is 3 of mod 3 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into minus 4 is equal to minus 8. So of mod 3, 2 ones 2 plus 2 minus 8. So of mod 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. So half into mod minus 3, in that mod negative or positive we are taking positive only. So half into 3, that is nothing but 3 by 2. So area of the triangle with the vertices 1 minus 1, 2, 3 and 2 comma 0 are 3 by 2 square units. So now here the given points to formed area of the triangle is 3 by 2 square units. It is not 0. Therefore the given points are not collinear. Next problem, 1 minus 6, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3 points form collinear or not, that is asked. So here we have to find the area of the given triangle by forming these points. So the area of the triangle is of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here the x1 y1 coordinates are 1 minus 6 and x2 y2 coordinates are 3 minus 4 and x3 y3 coordinates are 4 minus 3. Then the area of the triangle is equal to of mod x1 1 into y2 minus y3 minus 4 minus of minus 3 plus x2 3 into y3 minus y1. So 3 minus 3 minus of minus 6 plus x3 4 into y1 minus y2 minus 6 minus of minus 4, that equal to of mod 1 into minus of minus 3 is nothing but plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 plus 3 into minus of minus 6 is plus 6. So minus 3 plus 6 plus 4 into minus of minus 4, that is plus 4, that equal to of mod 1 into minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 3 into minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 4 is equal to minus 2, that equal to of mod 1 into minus 1 plus 3 3 is 9 and 4 minus 2, that equal to minus 8. So of mod 1 minus 1 plus 9 is equal to plus 8, 8 minus 8 equal to 0, that equal to half into mod 0, that is nothing but half into 0, that equal to 0. So area of the triangle formed by the vertices 1 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 4 and 4 comma minus 3 is 0. Therefore the given points form collinear. Okay, now here given the another problem, if 4 comma 2, 7 comma 5, 9 comma 7 are the vertices of the triangle, then they are collinear or not, that one we have to verify. So this one finding purpose we use the area of the triangle principle, that is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. that equal to here x1 y1 coordinates are 4 comma 2 and x2 y2 coordinates are 7 comma 5 and x3 y3 coordinates are 9 comma 7. Then the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3, that is 4 into 5 minus 7 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, 7 into 7 minus 2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, 9 into 2 minus 5, that equal to half mod 4 into 5 minus 7, that is minus 2 plus 7 into 7 minus 2, 5 plus 2 minus 5 minus 3, so 9 into minus 3, that equal to half mod 4 minus 2 minus 8, 7 5s 35, 9 into minus 3, that is minus 27, that equal to half mod minus 8 plus 35, that equal to plus 27, 27 minus 27, that equal to 0, half into mod 0, that is nothing but 0. So area of the triangle formed by the vertices 4 comma 2, 7 comma 5 and 9 comma 7 are 0 square units. That means here these points are collinear points. The given points are collinear.